Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm sitting in my beautiful backyard in my patio that I recently redid. I'm super happy at how everything turned out, and I wanted to share this with you so that if you're in your way of trying to make over your patio on a budget, then you're at the right place. So I'm gonna walk you through and show you what we did, and I'll walk you through the steps. So hope you enjoy. Sit back and watch how I transform the space into making something cozy and something for us to enjoy this summer. I wanted to make this pergola type structure without spending too much money, so I had this idea of putting 4x4 posts on either side and building up this structure. So I'm going to show you or share with you how I did this project because I needed some help just to mainly hold the pieces of wood while I put this structure together. So I didn't want to film unnecessarily and have other people included in this video if they didn't really necessarily want it to be videotaped. So that's why I'm gonna walk you through the process and explain what we did. It was very simple to put together. So the first thing that we did was to take these 4x4 posts that I got at the local hardware, and I just anchored them directly to my patio right here. The patio will be getting a stain this week, but I wanted to film this beforehand. And then we just put some 4x4 treated wood on here. These are 4x4 by 8 feet long, and that's what we did on 4 corners. So as you can see, this is the 4 corners, and on the sides here, joining on the outer end, are some 1x6 by 8 for one side and 1x6 by 10 for the longer side that we just screwed directly on the corners on the outside. And to make the roof, I just used some of these smaller L brackets, and I used some more of the 1x6 beams right sitting on top, and we just screwed it using the L brackets. And for this gorgeous outdoor view, I used some of the lily curtains at IKEA. They were so inexpensive. There are 2 panels for $4.99, so I got a few panels for all sides of this pergola structure. And I also used the curtain rods that comes from IKEA. I think it was very affordable, and I love the look that it gives. Now, to make the roof, to give a shading for the roof, I was looking at different ideas. All of the outdoor fabric was super expensive, so I came up with this idea. I got some tablecloth that I got from Dollarama here, and I just laid it the beautiful side looking down, and then I just stapled it on the other side. I think it's such a creative way to give us some shade. And I have some outdoors light that I just strung, just going all around, and that's how it looks. And you guys, I'm loving the structure, and we enjoy it so much with sitting in our patio or our sectional that I also did. And as you can see, I used some jute twine, which I love as well, to tie in these curtains just to give it that beautiful look. And this sectional that I'm going to show you right now is, I followed actually Anna White's sectional 4x4 sectional project that she did on her channel. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description below. Go watch her out. She's such a creative lady, and she does so many woodwork that could be easily done, and that's what I did for my patio here, and I'm loving how it looks. For the sectional, I'm not really gonna go step by step how I did it to show you, but here I'm just showing you the process of making it, and I'm gonna leave a link to the instructions from Anna White's YouTube channel that you can certainly follow if you decide to make one. If you are joining the DIY Residence for the first time, then welcome. I upload new videos every week, and I share the many DIY projects that I do in hopes to inspire others to do crafts. So if this is something that interests you, please hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you don't miss on any of my future projects. So this is the sectional that I did using 2x4s, and I stained using my favorite stain, which is the American Walnut by Verathane. And I also made the coffee table to match that, which was also from Anna White's YouTube channel. So make sure to go click on that, and if you're interested in making one, I'm sure you can if I was able to make one myself as well. And here you go, just a side view of some beautiful flowers that I've planted, and they're getting gorgeous year by year. So this is how it looks. And I have this beautiful here fountain that brings us the most beautiful sound while we're sitting and enjoying our backyard space. Early this week we were supposed to have a contractor come and sand and restain and remove all of the siding to be replaced by beautiful railings, but he had to cancel last minute and he didn't show up, so he's gonna start the work this upcoming week. So I can't wait to get that done, but I wanted to film this anyways to show you the process of my patio makeover. So this will be the makeover part 1, and then I'll show you how it looks after, once all of this is done, in the part 2. So again, all of this section was supposed to be stained and ready to be staged for this video as well on time, but because everything got delayed, I still wanted to do this video and give you an idea of what it would look like. So just sit back and enjoy. I'm not going to talk too much. So let me walk you through and bring you to my patio and let you enjoy the view. So here is the beautiful sectional. I'm in love with it, and I think anyone who is tempted to make it should really make one as well. And that's the upper level going to the garden in front, and that antique little chair that I spray painted last year. The shed that you just saw, I repainted that as well. And on the side I have also some more plants and my bird feeding section that you just saw, and I love seeing birds come and eat while I'm sitting on my little sectional that we built, and the trellis right there for the future deck makeover that will be happening real soon, and I'm super excited for that. So again, these are some beautiful pictures of my patio. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the patio makeover part 2, where I'll be showing you the front garden as well and how beautiful my garden looks. So stay tuned for that, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss part 2 of this video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.